Okay, we'll continue looking at cosine rule, finding for an angle. Alright, here we have a problem. Find for all three angles to the nearest degree. We know that the triangle is made up of 180 degrees. So when we find for angle P, Q and R, and we add them together, we should have 180 degrees. So let us start. Good. The first thing I'll do, I will label the opposite side in common letters. So, okay, this will be our angle. We want to find for angle P, Q, R. Opposite P will be common P, will equals to 17. R will equals to 18. Q will equals to that. Good. So I divided paper into 3 sections. So each section, I'll find for one of the angles. So let us find for angle P first. So I'll write cos P will equals to Q square plus R square minus P square over 2QR. Good. So let us use the formula and work the question. So Q in this case will be 24, so that will be 24 square plus R is 18 square minus 17 square, all divided by 2 times 24, which is Q, times R, which is 18. Good, so all we need to do is to use our calculator. So quickly, we can work all of this at once. So we can enter 24 square, where is it, 24 square plus, what next, we have 18 square, so 18 square, then subtract, and final one we have 17 square, 17 square. Good. That gave us 611. So I'll have 611 over, now we multiply 2 times 24 times 18. 2 times 24 times 18 give us 684. 864. Good. So what we can do, there are 2 ways we can work this problem. We can divide and then write our answer as a decimal, or we can do it like this. Let me write back cos P, cos P. Okay, so since we want to find for P, what we will do, take the cos over the other side and it will become cos inverse. So cos inverse 611 over 864. Good. So if we take across cos, we leave with P. So P will equals to, now the calculator will do the job for us. So second function, cos, to have the cos inverse. So in brackets, we'll have 611 divided by 864. Close our brackets. Good. Our answer is 44.99. So since I want to round it to the nearest whole number, the nearest whole number will therefore be 45 degrees. Good. So this will be 45 degrees. Let us find for angle Q. Good. Cos Q will equals to P square plus R square minus Q square, all over 2 PR. Whatever the first 2 letter, we need to put that there with the 2. Good. So P in this case will be what? P is given as 17, so that will be 17 square plus R, which is 18 square minus 24 square, all over 2 times 17 times 18. Good. So now we'll use our calculator to help us with the necessary calculation. So we have 17 square plus the next number there is 18. So we have 18 square, subtract 24 square. Our answer is 37. Good. So we write 37 over, now we multiply these 3 numbers. 2 times 17 times 18 give us 612. Good. So cos Q equals to that, cos Q equals to that. Now, since we want to find for angle Q, we'll take the cos on the other side. So we leave with Q there. So it'll be cos inverse, and in brackets we write this. Good, so we are almost finished. Now the calculator will help us through there. Second function, cos. So we have cos inverse in brackets 37 divided by 612. Good, so our answer is 86.5. Good, so since that number is 5, we'll round up, so our answer will be 87 degrees. Good, so we'll get 87 degrees. Alright, the final angle, cos R equals to P square plus Q square minus R square over 2 PQ equals, good, P square, P in this case is 17, so that is 17 square plus 24 square minus 18 square, all over 2 times 17 times 24. Now we'll use our calculator. 17 square plus 24 square minus 18 square give us 541 divided by 2 times 17 times 24 give us 816. Good, so cos R, so now we want to find R. Let us take cos on the other side. So R will equal to cos inverse. This is how we write the inverse, a negative 1. 541 over 816. Good. So with our calculator, we'll work. Second function, cos. So here we have cos inverse in brackets. 541 over 816. 541 divided by 816. Close bracket. Good. What we have? 48.4. Good. So the nearest whole number will be 48 degrees. So our answer is 48 degrees. Okay. Now let us add the angles. 45 plus 87 plus 48 and see if we get 180. Let's see. So the first one I have 45 plus 87 plus 48. Let's see. Good, so we have exactly 180 degrees. So whenever you're working this problem, and let's say if you want to find for all three angles, you can go ahead, find for it. When you add all three, you should have 180 degrees. So let me write it here. 180 degrees. And this will prove that your answers are correct.